Our new Exfil-2 mini tank bag might just be the most convenient piece of kit we've made yet. Its compact size makes it easy to transport, and it surprisingly holds a whole lot of stuff. It even fits 2 beers, hence the name Exfil-2. A charging cord easily fits through the hidden seam in the front of the bag. The cord can be kept tidy by feeding it through the loops in the lid. The lid is crystal clear and is touchscreen sensitive, so you can use your smartphone. On the bottom, there are these 3 insanely strong magnets that will keep the bag secure on any steel gas tank. Like any tank bag, keep these clean to avoid scratching your paint. The convenient size makes this a perfect commuter bag that is totally practical for everyday use.